In this video, we're going to take a look at Chipotle here on the daily chart. You can see we ended the day 42.69, basically flat on the day, up in the green by only about 6 cents from yesterday's close. Now, we're overall still in recovery mode here. You can see ever since we had that big gap down here in late July, a lot of red candles in here trying to find some sort of footing, but it looks like we might have found some support in here for us right around those mid 42s. So we have our first major support in here at that 42.40 mark. Anything below there, we're looking at nice whole numbers, 41.40, etc. As far as resistances go, 44.41, that is going to be our first major area of concern in here that we do need to breach and hold. That's right where that 9-day EMA is matching up as well. And then anything above there, we're going to be keeping an eye on the 47.67 mark. You can see on our RSI in here, it's still completely oversold ever since we had that big gap down in here on that late July. So we need to get this reset soon. Maybe a little bounce in here to those 44s would be healthy for us technically overall. Now, as far as implied volatility goes, obviously, you did have that contraction after the earnings, but we had a little bit of expansion as well with all these red candles in here working our way down to those mid 42s. So your IV rank currently sits right now at 13, right around a 64-cent expected move in here by Friday's expiration. So a couple more days is pricing in right around a 64-cent move. By next Friday, right around a $1.31. If you go all the way out to September, right around a $3 expected move is what everybody's pricing in. So we'll see how we end the weekend here. But overall, the 42.40s, they do need to hold. It looks like we're holding so far, and we got some good footing. RSI is telling us, hey, something's got to give down here. But again, we're going to wait and see how Chipotle is still interacting with the overall markets, if any news catalysts are going to push this thing higher or have it breach through that 42.40 mark. So we're going to keep an eye on that as we go throughout the weekend here. Again, 64-cent expected move by Friday's expiration. We're looking at 42.40. We're looking at 44.40. And then basically, if it breaches that 42.40 support, we're looking at nice whole numbers on the way down, 41.40, etc. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.